Hello, and welcome to Ajaystroumani Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. I'm Neena, and today we will take a deep dive into the current state of maize prices, which have recently stabilized amidst changing ethanol policies and heavy rainfall affecting key production regions. Let's get started. As of September 4th, maize prices have found stability despite the rise in sowing acreage and some fluctuating market conditions. One of the primary factors influencing maize prices is the Indian government's recent decision to allow ethanol producers to use rice and sugarcane for ethanol production. This policy shift, designed to balance the ethanol supply, has had a direct impact on maize prices. The government has authorized distilleries to participate in electronic auctions for rice, with a maximum lifting limit of 2.3 million metric tons from August to October 2024. However, the current open market sales scheme rate of 28,000 Indian rupees per ton, plus transportation costs, hasn't made rice a highly viable option for ethanol production just yet. Maize, however, has emerged as the preferred choice for ethanol production. It's seen a surge in cultivation due to its higher profitability and quicker maturation period. Compared to sugarcane, which takes a year to mature, maize is ready for harvest in just 6 months, making it an attractive option for farmers. Maize also benefits from a fixed minimum support price of 2,225 Indian rupees per quintal and a higher ethanol price of 71 Indian rupees and 86 paise per litre for the 2023-24 supply year. India's ethanol blending rate is projected to reach 14% for the 2024 ethanol supply year, up from 12.1% in the previous year. This increase is driven largely by the use of grain-based ethanol, particularly maize, which is expected to compensate for a lower supply of sugarcane-based ethanol. As of July 31, 2024, ethanol production from grains amounted to 253 crore litres, with maize contributing a significant portion, 167 crore litres. That translates to approximately 4.4 million tons of maize used for ethanol production. In August alone, about 0.6 million tons were used, and projections suggest up to 6 million tons of maize may be allocated for ethanol production during the 2024-25 season. Looking at regional markets, maize prices in Uttar Pradesh have stabilized at 25,000 Indian rupees per ton, partly due to a reduced purchasing volume from ethanol producers following recent policy changes. However, mandi arrivals in the state are down to 5 to 10% of peak levels. In Bihar, high-quality maize from Gulab Bagh remains in demand, while in Tamil Nadu, prices have reached 29,000 Indian rupees per rake. Resellers are quoting prices between 29,000 Indian rupees to 29,100 Indian rupees per ton. Meanwhile, Maharashtra has seen some hesitation among buyers, with ongoing rainfall delaying harvests. Current warehouse quotes in the Jalgaon zone are hovering around 28,000 Indian rupees per ton, though active sellers are few. Heavy rainfall from a deep depression has led to substantial crop damage in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Maharashtra, with floodwaters affecting about 2 lakh acres of farmland, including maize fields. That's all for today's update. We'll continue to monitor these developments closely, so stay tuned to Ajaystroumani Guru for the latest insights on the commodities market. If you found this analysis helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.